Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Architi Creations. In today's special lesson, we are going to learn how to create all these beautiful Rakis using homemade clay. Everything is homemade. So, let us quickly get started. Let me first discuss what all material you need to create these beautiful Rakis. Now, these are the bro and the sister-in-law Raki or the sis Raki. These are the Mickey Minnie style Rakis and this is the Rakis in the Avengers series. So let us get started. So let us discuss what all material we need to make those beautiful Rakis. First is I have created homemade clay in all of these colors. So I have shared the link of how to make homemade clay in the description box below. So you can make all the colors of homemade clay at home. So we need homemade clay or you can use air dry clay. Second, we need a little bit of Vaseline to mold our clay. We need a star cutter, or if you don't have a star cutter, you can even cut it using your cutter. I am using my cutter blade, a rolling pin. I need a thin wire. This is approximately 4 mm. We need some ribbons. So some beautiful colorful ribbons, some blue ribbons or ribbons of your choice. We need white glue, scissors. I am using a resham dori in this and some beads and some motifs of your choice and some ghungroos of your choice. So let us get started. So let us first start making our Rakis. For the Rakis I am using homemade clay. So I have different colors available. First is we are going to make the Rakhi base. So for making the Rakhi base here I am taking a yellow color dough. Okay. And I am going to just roll it out into a thin layer. You can take any color dough for your base. Now after I've rolled it, I'm taking a cutter. You can take a cutter or a cap of anything. Just rotate it and see, your base is ready. See, my base is ready. I'm just going to trim out the sides of this using my blade. Now if you want to create this Rakhi for your brother, then you can take any tool that you have with you. If you don't have, you can even take a pencil that you have. I'm going to take my dotting tool and just create a small hole for the thread to pass on both the ends. Like this. Like this. Now let me show you this. I made one day before. So see. If it is homemade clay, इतना shrinkage होता है, इतना shrinkage होगा आपको. In the same way, I've made one for Bhabhi Rakhi, that is for the Lumba Rakhi or for your sister. So I've created a hole on top and I've created 3 small holes at the bottom here so that I can pass some latkan on through it. So in this way, create few bases of the colors of your choice. So now here I have created 5 different bases. 1 for the Lumba Rakhi and 4 for the normal Rakhis, and I'm going to just let it dry. So 2 of these have dried up and the other 3 are just drying. Now what are we going to do is we are going to first create our first Rakhi. Now to create our first Rakhi, we are going to create flowers. So for the flowers, take very little quantity and let me show you how we are going to make these flowers. And the trick is that you should keep your ziplocks tied up or tightened. Take a little bit of Vaseline or any kind of a clay. Especially for your handmade clay, we need Vaseline or any cream to make it pliable. Now, first step is make small roundels like this. Very tiny ones, preferably of the same size. And we are going to need these flowers that we are making for both our Bhaiya Rakhi as well as the Bhabhi Rakhi. These are special Rakhis that we are making. So just make few of them. And very tiny ones I'm making because I want my Rakhi to look very beautiful so that these Rakhi centers can later on be used even as pendants. So let me just show you. Okay. Now the first step is just press it. Okay, don't make very thick ones, don't make very thin ones, just press it. So I'm going to just keep this covered. So for the center, just take your finger, roll it like this to create the center of your rose. After that, just keep attaching. Now if your petals are wet, they will easily stick, you will not need any kind of a glue. But even though if you still want to secure your petals, you can use little white glue as well. So this is a very tiny flower, just keep applying little white glue. See, the more tinier the flower is, believe me, the prettier this Rakhi will look. And it can easily be used as lovely pendants in future. Now just put it, take your sharp blade and cut it so that your rose can stand like this. See this. Now in the same way, I have created some roses like this. You can create them. I'm going to create them with different colors like dark blue. So you can create them with the colors of your choice, what color clay you have made. So I have created some of them with orange, some of them with red. Now this pink is going to dry up and become like this. I have used the same clay, so you'll see there is a slight difference in the color also. Now next, before we go ahead, let me show you how to make leaves. So for that, you take any vibrant green color. Okay, for the leaves, take small quantity, roll it, and after that press it and give it a leaf shape from front. So basically we are giving this kind of a drop shape to it. After that, take your cutter, just give a very fine leaf impression in it. Now let me show you one more. So just take a leaf. There will be little shrinkage in this. Too much shrinkage doesn't happen in those tiny articles. So just cut it from the middle. Just give the veins of the leaf very close by, like this. Now make few of these leaves. So we need about 5-10 of these leaves for each of the Rakhis. Now comes the special part. Now for the special part, I am taking orange color. You can take any color clay that you have with you. The color of the clay is not important. Take little amount of this clay. Okay, take very little more and just roll it. Roll it into very thin strips like this. Okay, take another one. I'm going to show you how we are going to write bro, and if you want to write sister in this, you can write sis, or you want to write sister-in-law, you can write SIL. So just let us create 3-4 of these long strips. Just use one finger to do that and try that the thickness of all your strings are equal. See. Now comes, how big do you want to write B? So we don't have too much space on the Rakhi, so B backside is going to be this big. So take 2 equal size for making the face of the making B. So just apply a little bit of Fevicol on top and Fevicol in the center. Just twist it to make a B. Okay. In the same way, take the other piece, and in the other I'm just going to make it stick over here, and I'm going to just twist it like this. If you want, you can stick the other part and if you don't want, you can just leave it. So this becomes a bee. Now I am taking this. We are just going to twist this to make it a brome R. So just twist it and twist it. So I am just giving this shape of R. Just twist this a little. Okay, I'm going to get it back. Okay, so brome BR हो गया. Now take another strip. We want to create an O. Just cut it. Just create a loop and an O like this. Just twist it and create a bro. Okay. In the same way, this is going to, you will fix it up only after this dries up. Okay. Now to create our SIL or SIS. So I'll show you how to create an SIL. So for creating an 2S, take same size. Just twist your top a little and twist the bottom a little to create an S. In the same way, we are going to create another S. This can be a little smaller also. If you want to create an S, sister in SIS, that means if you want to make it for your sis. And I is a simple I. This is an I. And if you want to make an SIL, just convert this into an L. So in this way, just write your words. Now I will have to keep these for drying up. So they are going to become little pre-hardened in about half an hour to 1 hour. But this clay completely dries up only after 24 hours. Now let us start fixing on my. So first and the foremost, I'm going to take my tool. I'm going to just broaden the whole area so that I can pass in my thread through it, because even that gets a little shrinked up. So very delicately broaden it. Okay. Now let us fix our flowers onto this. So there are a lot of leaves that I have made. So now I have taken out my white glue. Just apply little bit of white glue wherever you want to fix your flowers. So you can take any glue of your choice. Apply a little thicker coat on the base of the flower and stick it. Take your leaves. So I've used a very vibrant color of green so that it looks very pretty on this. Now be careful, we have to write bro here. So depending upon that, we are going to place our flowers. So first just place your bro and see. Let us first fix our flowers here. Be very careful of the hole also, because we have to pass our thread through that. Now see. Now before I am going to fix my bro, I am going to color it golden. Okay. So that is why any base color is fine. So let me take out some golden color and let us color. So I have taken out my golden color. Take out a thin brush and just do a light coat of golden to give it a festive look. So that's why base color is not so important. You can take any base color. I have taken orange. You can take any light dark base color like this. In the same way, if you want to decorate your flowers, now that you fixed your flowers, I'm going to just give a little festive look to my flowers with golden. So this is a Fevicryl golden color. You can take any acrylic color, golden shade or bronze or silver of your choice, and give a little metallic tinge to your flowers and to your Rakhi. In the same way, this Rakhi that we are making for the Bhabhi, for that also, till this bro dries up, let me first fix my flowers and show you. Now for this, what we are going to do is, we will have to fix it differently. I'm going to put the flowers not on the side, because side mein to rakhi mein we are going to put. Here we are going to put them on top. Be careful of leaving the hole empty. Now preferably fix up your leaves and your flowers after they are little dried up. See? And one more leaf to go over here. So I have made a cis also and dried it. First we are going to just give a little bit of golden color onto our leaves as well as our beautiful flowers. Like this. Now I'm going to just color the cis also golden. Now as my cis is drying up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix row. So for this, fix up a good quantity of your thickened white glue on the back of it and fix it just like this. Bro, I'm going to fix it and I'm going to let it dry. And let me fix this also and show you. Now see, I fixed this in the same way. Now let us dry this completely before we attach strings to it. Now let us make our second Rakhi. So the second Rakhi will be making of two types for our kid brothers. That will be the Avenger series. So we'll make one, the Thor hammer, and the Captain America shield. So for the Captain America shield, first and the foremost, take a little bit of red clay, roll it into a thin sheet. Now I'm going to take now here we need cutters of 2-3 different sizes, so you can take 2-3 different dhakkans of your choice and just roll this little bit. I'm making this very thin because I don't need very thick base. On the top of it I'm going to put my white layer, so I'm just going to trim the sides. So let me put this here. On top of this I have taken out this white. See, on the basis of this just trim this like this. Let us first fix these two. Don't make them very thick so that it's not very heavy. Now this becomes our red layer. After this there is another layer of red, so just let it dry for some time while we make another red layer. So I'm going to take my cutter, take a thin red layer, see, like this, stick it where. Now comes the blue layer, so let me just put my red away. Now take a little bit of your blue clay. So I'm going to cut it from the dhakkan. So now I have cut it out from a smaller dhakkan. See this, just trim the sides with any extra clay so that it looks prettier. We will fix this like this, and on top of this comes a small white star. So here I have cut the star from a cutter. See, I have a cutter of a star shape, so I have used my cutter. How I have used it is, once you have spread it out, just put your cutter and then just press the spring, so it's going to come out so easy. So this way I have cut out my white star. In case you don't have a cutter, we can use a cutter, normal cutter, to cut it from our white star. So here, put it in the center. See how pretty my Avenger shield is looking. Let me get it in the center to make two holes to hold the Rakhi ribbon. So just put it in the center. Now take your tool, any tool you can take, and just create a hole here and here, which we are going to use for our Rakhi ribbon. So now we are going to make our Thor hammer Rakhi. For that I have taken my elephant grey color. So we are going to fix this on this. So on the basis of your size of the base, and keeping in mind that it's going to shrink a little because it is homemade clay. So take little quantity of grey color. We have to make a rectangle out of it. So we can cut it using a cutter. and we can just give a cut. Now let us make the handle. So for the handle, take little amount of clay, roll it into a. We are going to create a small hole here. And the base is going to be a little thicker, so take a little more quantity of clay. We are going to give a little color on this using our metallic shades, but before that, let us stick it. Let me stick it for 5 minutes and then we are going to give a color to it. So now once this is drying up, first let us fix it on top of it, and then we are going to write the initial of our brother's name on this, like this. And there is a blue color jewel in it, so I'm going to just fix a blue color jewel here. And basically we are going to do a lot of colors to this. Let us fix this completely. Now for making the initials of the name, suppose your brother's name starts with an A, so you can write the full name like I showed you how to do bro, or you can just write first alphabet of your brother's name on this, or if you want to put a nickname. So here I am going to put an A. If you want to put a small star on top of this, so I'm going to just cut a tiny star using my cutter and we'll fix it here like this. Now let me take out my metallic color so that we can give a little bit of shade to this. So take out your golden metallic color. You can also decide to take a bronze metallic color if you want. So there are stripes on the handle of the hammer. Now we'll put a little bit of golden in the A, a little bit on your star, and if you want you can also put it onto the base of your Rocky to make it more jazzy and attractive, and let it dry. Now you can also take a little bit of your bronze color and do it on top of the golden like this. Now we are going to learn another kind of a Rakhi. For that we are doing a Mickey Mini, but we are doing it very differently. So I have taken this black dough. So don't make it too thin nor too thick like that. Once you've rolled out your black dough, take a cutter and cut out 2 roundels of black. And we need 4 small ears of black. So take any bottle which has a small cap like this and cut out 4 ears. Now we are going to create the black in a donut shape here. It's a very different style of Mickey Mini we are going to make. So here what we are going to do is take a smaller circle and just cut out like this, the donut from the center. In the same way, cut out the other like this. Now what we are going to do is take a red color and from the same cutter, same size, cut out a red circle. After you've cut out the red circle, cut out a donut, and now what you're going to do is cut this into exact half like this. And now we are going to fix this onto the body of this. Just fix this on top of it and fix this on top. Now this will become more visible once I put it down here. See. Now first we are going to make an impression of the dress of Mickey. For that, take very little yellow clay. Now once you've taken your yellow clay, just make a long thin roll out of it like this. Take a cutter, just cut 2 equal pieces, roll the edges, that's it. So for the piece on which we are making Mickey, just attach the yellow part out here and just fold this, and we are going to attach the ears of Mickey here. So just attach like this. Now for Minnie. For Minnie again we are going to take our red clay and we are going to make a cute little bow. So now let us make a bow for Minnie. So for making a bow, make a thin strip out of your red color. Now you can either cut two hearts out of it. So I'm just going to cut a heart out of this in this way and just press the inside like this. In the same way, create another heart. And we are going to attach a small dot on top. Now let me just roundel the edges and show you. So I just rounded the edges. We are now going to first attach the bow here for Minnie. So just put the two and in the center, and I'm just going to press it like this. We are now going to attach the ears. Now to finish the dress of the Minnie, we are going to give white dots. So I'm going to give white dots using my brush on top of this. See how cute the Minnie's dress has started looking. In the same way, just to beautify Mickey's dress, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give a white line, and that's going to finish my Mickey also. So just do a white line here. Let the white color dry up and then we are going to attach it to our base. Now let us first complete this Rakhi. To complete this, I am taking a normal Resham ka thread. Now what we are going to do is just fold it into half, and from this side just pass this through so that there is a loop. So I'm going to just pass this through and then create a simple loop like this. Now in the same way we are going to do the other side. So in this way I have done it on the other side also. Yes, I have taken a wire, any small thin wire, put your thread through this, creating a needle, and then hold this, and then whatever moti you want to put through this, I'm going to pass it through this. And now I want to put a red moti. This is basically to make it more dressy. Then one more golden moti and one more red moti. Like this on this side. In the same way I'm going to do on this side. And just to secure this, I'm going to tie a knot here. So let me do it on this side also and show you how it looks. Now see how beautiful this Rakhi is looking. In the same way, I have created I have put the thread in this sister Rakhi, and now we are going to create latkan here. Now for creating the latkan, let me show you what you will do is, take a thin wire, take some ghunguru. So cut a small strip of your thin wire. Now in your thin wire, put your ghunguru and just create a small twist and put 2 beads. Just put it through this. The other part of the wire goes to the back side, and I'm going to just create a twist. And then I'm going to clip the wire using my plier or fine scissors. So we are going to create 3 hangings like this. So now see how beautiful these Rakhis are looking. Let us now fix up the rest of it. Now I have taken a normal satin ribbon, blue color, and I'll fix it with white glue. So put white glue right in the center. Put little thicker white glue so that your clay sticks to it and there is no problem. And just stick it. The same way we are going to stick our Avengers, Captain America shield also on top of this. So So this way I'm going to let these two dry completely. Now let me take my base and I want to fix my Mickey on top of it. So just apply thick coat of white glue on your Mickey, including the ears. And I'm going to apply my Minnie on top of this. Now we can take contrasting colors for these as well. So now I have these very pretty ribbons and I'm going to attach my Mickey onto this blue one and I'm going to attach my Minnie onto this. So just apply your white glue and I'm going to apply it here also and let these dry completely. Create these beautiful Rockies. Now these are the bro and the sister-in-law Rocky or the sis Rocky. These are the Mickey Minnie style Rockies and this is the Rockies in the Avengers series.
Do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we put a new video or are live on our channel. Thanks for watching and bye bye.